Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for seventh grade. Today, we're going to have listening class. Okay, so the topic today is listening class, and you're going to do two activities. Activity number one, it's listen and copy. Okay, so you listen and then you copy. Activity number two, it is different. You need to listen and draw what you hear. So, for example, you are listening about a city, so you draw a city, or you are listening about the school, so you draw the school. Okay? So let me see if you understand better this. Let me explain to you in Spanish. Esta clase es de escucha, ¿no? Entonces, primero vamos a escuchar y vamos a copiar. Actividad uno, listen and copy. Escuchamos y copiamos. Un ejemplo, yo digo, ah, today is Monday. Entonces ustedes copian, today is Monday. Si es una historia, ustedes al final van a dibujar, la segunda actividad van a dibujar de lo que se trata la historia, de lo que han escrito, entonces ustedes se dan cuenta de que es la historia del listening y hacen un dibujo de eso, no más. Copy and draw. Copiar, draw, dibujar, okay? Get it this? I don't think so is difficult for you. So let's do it. So let's go. Come on, let's do it. All right, so let me see. Come on, I think it's possible to you. And I think it's not hard for you to understand this. So activity one is listen and then you have to copy. Okay? So let's go. This is about past tense. Okay? Let me see. It was a fantastic experience. Yes. Let's continue. Let's continue. So let's repeat again, okay? Repeat. Listen and copy. One. It was a fantastic experience. Says Sally. Quotation marks. I love touching the dolphins under the water. Point. Period. They they were really friendly. Period. Grace says that she hates playing sports at school. Repeat. Grace says that she hates playing sports at school. But that, but that the activities on the list were different. Point or period. Quotation marks. I really enjoyed learning to ride a horse and going fishing for salmon. Close quotation mark. She says point. Quotation mark. I never imagined doing those things. Okay? Continue. Ben and Tanya are happy too. Quotation mark. Kids these days spend a lot of time indoors. Come on. Watching TV and playing computer games. Point. Period. We are all distracted by electronic devices these days. Close quotation marks. Tanya says. Open quotation marks. We wanted to give the girls some real life adventures, comma, and to teach them to enjoy the moment. Close quotation marks. Okay? How was it? Let me repeat almost everything. So I'm going to repeat very slow. It was a fantastic experience. Listen, open quotation mark. It was a fantastic experience. Close quotation marks. Experience, comma. Says Sally. Open quotation marks. I loved touching the dolphins under the water. Period. They were really friendly. Period. Grace says that she hates playing sports at school, but that the activities on the list were different. Open quotation mark. I really enjoyed learning to ride a horse and going fishing for salmon. Close quotation marks. Okay? Says, she says, open quotation mark. I never imagined doing those things. Close quotation marks. Ben and Tanya are happy too. Open quotation marks. Kids these days spend a lot of time indoors, watching TV and playing computer games. We all distracted by electronic devices these days. Open quotation marks. Anya says, we wanted to give the girls some real life adventures and to teach them to enjoy the moment. Close quotation marks. Okay? So this is dictation 1. Now let's listen and copy the questions. So you're going to listen the questions and copy. 1. Excuse me, may I see your passport, please? 2. Where are you going to stay in this country? 3. How much is for the ticket? 4. What is your surname? What is your surname? 5. What time does your flight leave? Repeat. What time does your flight leave? 6. Do you travel alone or with someone else? Repeat. Do you travel alone or with someone else? How long are you planning to stay in this country? Repeat. How long are you planning to stay in this country? Where are you from? Where are you from? Do you prefer a single room or double room for your family? How many how many members of your family are with you in this moment? Do you like this country? Are you single or are you married? Repeat. Are you single or are you married? What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? Do you study or do you work? How is your family? How is your family? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Are you in the school? Where is your mother?